So for this demo, I'm going to talk about what I think our user experience is going to look like in the future. I think our user experiences are going to be shaped by the things that interest us. So these are very personalized AI agents that understand our likes, dislikes, things we're interested in, our hobbies, what we do for a living, where we live. And all of these things are going to be taken into account. And our personalized AI agents are going to have a better understanding of what we should be concerned about and what we shouldn't be concerned about. So this is to say that we're going to have AI agents that are going to surface things that should be brought to our attention. And we're also going to filter things out that we would have no interest in taking a look at. And so to facilitate this demo, I'm going to use Amazon here. And based on the things that I'm searching, we're going to simulate what I'm interested in. And based on those interests, my personalized AI agent is going to go ahead and make recommendations. So to facilitate this AI agent that's trained on my interests, I'm going to go ahead and create a multi-agent agentic system using Google's agent to agent, along with a whole bunch of MCP servers that provide functionality and access to things that are interesting to me. One agent that I'm going to have is a purchasing agent. This agent will create purchasing recommendations based on the things that I'm looking at. And this one's actually powered by the Best Buy platform. So I'm going to go ahead and start this agent right now. The second agent that we're going to start is we're going to start a Ticketmaster agent. So this is going to offer up concert tickets based on preferences that I have when I'm searching for things on the web. So let's go ahead and start the Ticketmaster agent. Now I have a coordinating agent. I need an agent to facilitate the information exchange between the Ticketmaster agent, the Best Buy agent, and to handle all of the processing happening between all three agents here. And finally, I'm going to have this small Python script, which is going to give our AI agent a voice. And it's going to allow me to interact with this agentic system based on what I'm going to search for in Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to search for is Apple MacBooks. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when I search on Amazon for Apple MacBooks. So I'm just browsing Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and take a look. And it looks like this MacBook Air, this 2025 MacBook Air, looks pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and click this. Now, the assumption here is that I've been searching for Apple MacBooks for some time. And so now I'm actually getting around to Amazon for purchasing one.
I found some great Thunderbolt 4 products for you, including Thunderbolt 4 docks, compatible external SSDs, and Thunderbolt 4 cables. Would you like to purchase one of these recommended products?
Computer, no, not at this time.
Understood, David. Let me know anytime if you want to explore Thunderbolt 4 products or need assistance with anything else.
So now if I go ahead and I take a look at, perhaps maybe I'm interested in one of my favorite bands is LCD Sound System. So if I go ahead and maybe start looking for LCD Sound System, and it looks like, oh, they have a very interesting CD. So let's go ahead and perhaps click this CD here.
LCD Sound System will be performing with Pulp at the Hollywood Bowl in Hollywood, California, on September 25 and 26, 2025, with both shows starting at 7:30 p.m. Would you like to purchase a ticket for one of these concerts?
Computer, yes, purchase tickets for September 25th.
Tickets for the LCD Sound System and Pulp concert on September 25, 2025, at the Hollywood Bowl have been successfully purchased for you, David. Enjoy the show.
So here you can see the post request for asking for purchase recommendations from Best Buy. You can actually see the 8200 request for Ticketmaster. You can see the coordinating agent made the request based on what I was interested in. And you can also see the output based on the things that I was looking at on Amazon. So I think this is a very accurate representation of what I think our user experiences are going to look like in the future. We're going to have our own personalized agentic AI agents acting on our behalf, and they're going to understand what we like and what our interests are, what we are searching for, and the things that we consistently come back and we're looking at. So in the most ideal situation, I think this is what our user interfaces are going to look like. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching the demo.